In this video, I will show you that how can you draw this simple mountain illustration in Infinite Painter step by step. But before that, all the brushes are available in the app itself and you can download the color palette from the link in the description. So let's start it. First of all, select the second color from the color palette and fill the whole canvas into that color. Now add a new layer and select the third color from the color palette. Now zoom out the canvas and select the MONOLINE brush from the calligraphy slot and set the brush size to around 10 to 15 and turn on the vertical symmetry tool and start creating a mountain like this. And fill the color in it. Now clip a new layer onto that layer and using the MONOLINE brush again with the darker color, you can create a shadow patch on the left side of the mountain and fill the color in it. Now you can create more shadow patches onto the mountain if you want to. Now clip a new layer again and using the white color this time you can create a light effect onto the right side of the mountain. Now using the coarse charcoal brush from the charcoals, you have to erase some part through the mountain by selecting both the layer one by one. Now merge both the clipped layers. Now add a new layer and keep it below the mountain layer and select the last color from the color palette and using the circle tool, create a circle behind the mountain and fill the color in it. Now onto the new layer and by selecting the shaded brush from the harmony, start creating clouds in the sky using the white color. Now start erasing the bottom part using the coarse charcoal brush from the charcoals. Now using the same brush, start creating birds into the sky using the simple technique creating a V shape into the sky and then adding some details. Now select the first color from the color palette and enable the vertical symmetry tool. And using the shaded brush from the harmony, start creating a wooden hut in front of the mountain. Just watch me drawing it and just follow me along so you can draw it. Now start creating trees using the simple triangle. Now clip a new layer onto the hut layer and start creating some shadings or details using the lighter color. Now clip that merge layer and add a new layer below the hut layer and using the shaded brush from the harmony, start creating a smoke like this and fill the color in it. Now erase some part through it using the coarse charcoal brush from the charcoals. And you can draw more of them if you want to. Now we are finally done and you can merge all the layers that we have been working on. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.